Hey guys, this is Bilal and you are watching Bilal Mobile's RYK YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to hard reset iPhone 12, 12 Pro, 12 Pro Max. Hard reset your iPhone 12 without computer, without any third party software. If you want to hard reset your iPhone 12 series, keep watching the video until the end and follow all steps. Number one is press the volume up button, press the volume down button and press the power button until you see Apple logo appears on screen. Wait 5 to 10 seconds. When you see Apple logo appears on screen, you can see iPhone is turned off. When you see Apple logo appears on screen, iPhone is rebooted successfully. Wait 5 to 10 seconds. You can see appears on screen. Start iPhone. You can see appears on screen iPhone is rebooted or hard reset successfully. Swipe up, enter your passcode, hard reset your iPhone successfully. That's it. After watching this video, I hope you will all know how to hard reset iPhone 12, 12 Pro and 12 Pro Max without computer, without any third party software. If video is helpful for you, please don't forget to share and subscribe my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon for more informative tech videos. Thanks for watching.